Hello guys, welcome to Silent Trader. Hope you all doing well and hope you all have a good day today in US stock market. So today we are going to talk about how to trade stock in 2025. So, a lot of people have a dream to become a trader, to live freedom life, no boss. We are our own boss, trade just few hours a day and that's it, make some good money. But for that, think you need a lot of patience. Uh, you need to be you need to have a good discipline. You have to practice this all the things in simulator. Once it work out, then you can start your trading journey with real money. Never ever put your real money on a real like account. Just try in a simulator. Once you are proven that you are profitable in simulator account, then only you can put your real money on the real account. Otherwise you end up losing your money, you end up losing, blow up your account. So that is my advice. So before you start, the trading journey, if anybody wants to start a trading journey, the way it's work, you have to start trading on simulator account. So for me, began my journey with a simulator. Still, I'm, practice my trading in simulator. I have I'm using the Thinkorswim, and this is the simulator account. As you see, I'm long Nvidia at the 128.50. I'm just trying to practice all the time. I just see like what strategy work the best, what not, where do I short, where do I go long. So if I lose money, I lose on simulator. This is a paper money, this is not the real money. My broker provide me this account so I can practice as many time as I want, and I also practice after hours as well. I can do a recap, I can trade like last week as well. I can manually enter what time I want to trade, what day I can choose my day as well. So as you see, my Nvidia is just position just get filled. I made like 110. That's how you can practice in simulator and you can make good money. And once the strategy get proven, you can switch to a real money. But before, make sure you are profitable in your simulator account. The next thing is, start with the basic strategy, like use the VWAP. VWAP is the volume weighted average price. You can just short the stock when it reject the VWAP. You can go long when it above the VWAP, when it hold the VWAP. Also you can go long on a support, like in Nvidia. This is the support line. As you can see my cursor on left hand side, this is the strong support on Nvidia. It hold here one time, two time, three time, four time. You can go long right here. So you can use criteria or price action as support. Once it hold this area, this is a support, you can go long. Once it break, you can stop out, or else you can also do a reverse, like you can trade a VWAP rejection. It break the VWAP, it rejects so hard, you can short right here. Your stop loss is above the VWAP. Same, you can see right here, it break above the VWAP, then after it rejects so hard, this is the downward channel as well. If you draw a channel, it seems like, this is how you can draw a channel. This is not the right way. um, you can draw a channel like this. This is the clear way to draw a channel. This is a downward channel. This reject one, two, this is third, fourth, and drop to the downside. It coming right now, you can go short right here, but you have to wait for the confirmation. So go simulator, try the basic strategy. Once you are proven, go with small share size. Nowadays you can use the cash account. Cash account, the money gets settled in one day. So whatever you trade today, how much money you use today, you can use the same money tomorrow. It's gonna settle overnight. So It doesn't mean you need a lot of money. Just prove. Once you've proven on a paper money simulator, go with real money. And real money, just try with a very, very small share. You also can try with one share. Do not worry about the profit. Profit can be, come once you prove your strategy can be proven. But go slow, be a consistent. The next thing is, once you enter in your position, take a profit. When you enter right here short, stock go to downside, take a profit. When you see a profit, take small profit. Let the other share ride little bit longer, or else it's gonna be stopped out if it's not work. But the way it's work, when you see the profit, take the profit. You need to have a proven strategy. The next thing is, you have to build consistency. So you need to have a good consistency. Suppose you like $100, you win 100, you green $100 today, you green $100 tomorrow, but next day if you are greedy and you try with a little bit larger share, you lose all your money. You suppose if you're down like $400 on third day, overall you down. So that's the not way it's work. You have to be consistent. Like, so the trading days start from Monday to Friday. Start with small share size, and decide your daily goal. Or if no daily goal, just go with small share size, just $100 a day. Once you earn your $100, shut down your laptop, come back tomorrow, do the same thing, do it for 5 days. This is called the consistency. If you are consistent, you feel more confidence, and then after you can go with little bit larger share size next week, next month, and then after you can prove your strategy little bit hard. The next thing is, suppose if you have $100 in your account and you want to trade, use the 1% rule. The 1% rule says once you down more than 1% of your account for any given days, stop. Stop trading, shut down your laptop, or just trade in simulator to be a consistent trader. So use the 1% rules. It gonna help you to not blow up your account, and it gonna give you more consistency in your trading style. So this is couple of things you can note down, or this is the thing you have to follow in order to be a profitable trade. So today I did couple of trade. Market is not closed yet, so I will give you the spy. If we check the overall market, everything is gapping to a downside. So if you check the spy, is just reject the high and break to a downside. It is near the 50 simple moving average. You can predict the market as well. If you check the SPY, this is really a downward channel. If you can draw a channel like this is a downward channel on SPY. It reject. This is the first down. This is second time it reject. This is third time today it rejects so hard. So you can go short once it break 1608. You can stop out and you can take a profit toward the downside. So this is called a strategy. Your strategy need to be proven. You have to learn more. You have to be a consistent. So SPY is breaking to a downside as of today. It just reject the all-time high. Nasdaq as well. It reject everything. Today market is gapping to a downside. Today is Friday as well, so people take a profit. Nobody wants to hold anything overnight, because as you all know, last week, if we check any stock, if you check the last week, last week Friday, after the Friday, market is gap so hard to a downside on Monday morning. Right here, you see the Friday close on Tesla 404. Then the next week on Monday, it break to downside due to some news. I think this is the DeepSeek AI or any other news, maybe. I'm not sure. So nobody wants to hold anything overnight. So people take a profit today on Friday. Today is Friday. So today I traded couple of stock. The first stock I traded is Pinterest, Pins. It has earning yesterday and it gapped to a high side. So let me show my trade right here. So it just kept to a high side. So I already did my research like how the Pinterest work. Also, how's the earning stocks work in this quarter. So suppose any stock gapped up, you have to check your daily chart. If you check the daily chart, people who invest in Pinterest right here, this is a consolidation area. People take a profit when it go up to the upside. So suppose if you are long at 32, and when the market open today, you see, wow, I'm green today. Okay, I'm a $10. Like suppose if you invest like 100 share, you up $1,000. So you definitely take profit when the market open. So this is called the psychology. You have to read the trader's mind. How's the trader think? That's the way you can trade and you can think and you can exit. You can apply your trading strategy. So Pinterest, when the market open, I wait for the first minute candle as always. When I see it reject very hard, I go short with small share size and $40.10 right here. I do not get stopped out. My stopped out is the previous candle high. So previous candle high is 41 or 40.90. So I take profit when it break below on our my profit target. If you check the 5 minute chart as well, you see my profit target is around $40. So when it break 40, I take profit on 39.77. I take profit. Um, I take more profit toward the downside, 39.81, and I get stopped out when is near my entry. So I don't want to lose more, so I just stopped out because I haven't feel this confidence in this trade because I see a high volume on green candle. Then after notice it holding a 40 level or 39.50 very well, and if you see, this is a big green candle and with high volume green candle, so I go long. I'm thinking it may break to VWAP because people already take the profit, so it might break VWAP if the strong stock is strong, but it is not. It reject the VWAP so many times. So I just stopped out, and this is a good decision. I get stopped out because it's break below. So if I did not stopped out, I lose the money. So another thing you have to remember is when the trade is not work, always stopped out. There is always a chance you can enter again. So this is another thing you have to learn. The next thing I traded is OKLO. When the market open, OKLO is gap high side very strong. It look very strong, hold the VWAP in just gapping to the high side. So when I see a pullback, this is a 920 trade, then 20. When the stock is so gap higher on after the open, people take a profit right here. So suppose if you long here, you take a profit. So it uh, pull back, hold the VWAP so nice. So I long right here at the 300 share on 57.94, and my stop loss is always below the last previous minute 5 minute candle. So I take profit to on the upside. So I enter at 58, I take profit at 58.27, 50. Then I get stopped out right here because when I see it reject this 58.50, so I just stopped out. But then after I see buyers on level 2, so I get in again. So this is a good thing I did. I get stopped out when I see it not work. Suppose if I enter in any stock, it need to be work immediately. If it's not work, I have to stop out. So I get stopped out right here, but I enter again. I see here so many buyers. I enter again. I take profit toward the upside. I enter at 58.26 and I take profit at 58.77. So 50-cent profit on this 300 share. Then after I take more profit, I see a downward channel as well on OKLO. Then after you see a big so many rejection on the weak candle toward the upside. One, two, three. That's 4 weeks. So I take a small short right here, but I get stopped out when I see a green candle, high volume green candle. So I'm a profitable on OKLO as well. Another trade I have is NVDA. So Nvidia, mostly I trade every day this Nvidia. So this is called, I already mentioned, this is a support area. You can go long. This is exactly what I did. If you check here, I go long. This is a support right here. This is the first. Second, if you draw a line, you can draw like this. This is a support. So I go long here at 128.56. When hold the 128.50, I go long. I take profit toward the upside when it reject 1 and 2. So I just take profit before it hit the VWAP or reject the VWAP. Then after I did the same, I go long again. I already draw a support line right here. I go long at 128.04. I take profit toward upside 128.17, 28.27, and 44 toward the upside. So, when you see a profit, take a profit. This is a quick scalp. So quick get in and get out. This is how I trade. Another trade I have is this one is already explained. So that's all I have on NVDA. Another I have on Tesla. Tesla also, I trade pretty much every day. So when I see it look very weak, but when the market open, it break toward the high side, it break the pre-market high, hold the VWAP so nice, but then after immediately it reject the VWAP. So I enter a short position right here. I take profit because this is the testing. I just want to see if it's work or no. It not work because I see so many buyers on level 2 once I get enter. So this is a good decision. Quickly I just get out, and you see the next candle is ripped to the high side. So I end up losing the position if I hold. But good thing is I take a small profit, only $10, but that's all right. I take small profit and just close my position. So another trade I have is right here. I'm thinking this is a support. I'm thinking it may be hold. This is if you can draw a channel or draw a support line like this. This is a support area. It hold 1, 2. This is the third time it hold and breaking to high side. So I enter. On my stop is always it break the last 5 minute candle. So when it break, I get stopped out. So I lose small on Tesla, but that's okay. I get stopped out, and that's a good thing. Another trade I have is on AMD. AMD is pretty much so weak after the earning. When the market open, it hold the VWAP, then after it reject the VWAP so hard. If you see, I already explained, you can also trade for the beginner, like the beginner trader. You can do a VWAP rejection. So this is a VWAP rejection. This reject one, reject twice, and this is third time. Ready for the rejection. As I see, I enter right here. When it not break, you see long consolidation, but it not break this 108.40. Quick, I enter at 108.33. I take profit toward the downside. So this is a quick scalp, guys. When you see a profit, take a profit and close your position. So hope you find this video helpful. If you want to start your journey as a trader, feel free to ask any question or just write down in comment section like I want to start, or how can I start, so I can help you to begin your journey as a day trader. This day trader, guys, is a freedom life. No boss. You are your own boss. You can make whatever decision you want to make. Just trade few hours a day. Then after, you can shut down your computer, go do something else, go for hike, go for a walk, whatever you want to do. So this is a freedom life. If anybody wants to start, I can help you to figure out. I can help you. I will guide you to, I have some proven strategy like VWAP rejection support. This is the basic strategy. Anybody can start, and this is also for the beginner. So hope you find this video helpful. If you have any question, feel free to ask any question in the comment box. We'll see you next week then. Ciao.